you can do two things. You can run and fucking hide, curl up in a ball, and let the world just fucking beat you to death. Or you can dig your fucking heels in. You figure out how to, you have to figure out yourself, and then you dig in and you fight.
Imagine walking out the door a loser. I'd rather die. I would rather die than be that loser guy.
You gotta have an unlimited supply of fucking fuck you.
I am cold. I am emotionless. I am zen, at peace, ready for war.
I built this shit. Me. Brick by brick. And I'll be damned if I let you tear it down just cause you don't like the way another nigga talk.
The day we got back from Mexico, I had a quote installed on my wall. It says, "May God have mercy upon my enemies, because I won't."
Maybe someone don't like me, but because maybe I'm too good. I don't know why.